how to redeem codes in One Piece Bounty Rush. So if you want to redeem codes in One Piece Bounty Rush, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have the internet connection, you just need simply go with search, and under search you can search for redeem codes in One Piece Bounty Rush. Once you've searched for it, here you will have a lot of websites that will provide you the games. So you just need to simply go with the first one. Once you click on it, here you will have an option of codes. So here you will have all of the working codes. You can scroll down and these are all of the working codes. You can try these codes, paste the code, and you'll be able to read the code. Or if you don't know how to redeem the codes, then you can also go with the process which is right here. You can open the Bounty Pirates, and on the top left corner of the screen, you can click on Character Profile, and then you'll get a pop up on the bottom right. You'll find a Redeem Code button. You can click on the button, and you will get another pop up that says Redeem Code. In this pop up, you'll see a text box where you can enter the code and cancel and redeem buttons. So you just need simply go with that, and you'll be able to redeem. So that's it. That's how you can redeem codes in One Piece Bounty Rush. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.